Good morning, student. Today is 9th of May. Yesterday I tell you about the new profit sharing ratio. Now next step is calculation of sacrificing ratio. Now the question says what is sacrificing ratio? Whenever new partner enter into partnership firm, he wants certain share and that certain share given by the old partner or share surrendered by old partner in favor of new partner known as sacrificing ratio. When the old partner surrendered some share in favor of new partner, that is known sacrificing ratio. Naturally, when he is coming to the partnership firm, he wants certain share and that certain share given by the old partner or old partner surrender certain ratio, that is known sacrificing ratio. The formula of sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. What is the formula? Sacrificing ratio equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Simply we can come with a certain example, or I can make it more clear by the certain example. Suppose there are three partners A, B and C. They have a ratio of 5:3. Ratio of 5, 3 and 2. Three old partner A, B, C. Ratio is 5:3:2. They admit D as a new partner. When D admit, the new ratio become 3:2, ratio 3. 3, 2, 2, 3. This is the new ratio given in the question. Question says calculate sacrificing ratio. Formula is old ratio 5/10, 3/10, 2/10 minus new ratio 3/10, 2/10 and 2/10. There will be no change in the ratio of new partner. So old ratio minus new ratio. Here it comes. Old ratio 5/10, new ratio 3/10. Old ratio 3/10, new ratio 2/10. Old ratio 2/10, new ratio 2/10. That is for A, that is for B, and that is for C. When we deduct old minus new, old minus new, old minus new, the result is 2/10, 1/10, and C will not make any sacrifice because old ratio 2/10, new ratio 2/10, so C will not make any sacrifice. So sacrificing ratio 2/10, 1/10 equal to 2:1, equal to 2:1. But you must remember the formula old ratio minus new ratio equal to sacrificing ratio. Children, through a sample question, you have to solve both the ratio, new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Old partner L, M, N, 4, 3, 2, 4/9, 3/9, 2/9. Admit new partner O for 1/10. Question says calculate new profit sharing ratio. 1 minus 1/10 equal to 9/10. 9/10 into 4/9. 9 by 10 into 3 by 9. 9 by 10 into 2 by 9. After solving, the result is 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10 and 1 by 10 of new partner. Take the LCM. The new ratio 4 ratio, 3 ratio, 2 ratio 1. So this is the old way, or already told you how to calculate the new ratio. Now with the same question, you have to calculate sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio, as you know, the formula is old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio 4 by 9. New ratio which you have calculated 4 ratio, 3 ratio, 2 ratio, 1. That is 4 by 10. Old ratio 4 by 9. New ratio 4 by 10. Old ratio 3 by 9. New ratio 3 by 10. Old ratio 2 by 9. New ratio 2 by 10. The result is 4 by 90, 3 by 90, 2 by 90. And the sacrificing ratio 90 is common. The sacrificing ratio is 4 ratio 3 ratio 2. The same question which I have given, in the same question you have to calculate new ratio and sacrificing ratio. For this question I am also click the photo and send you. You can go through the video, or by going through the pic you can clearly understand how to calculate in a same question new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Once again, I am just telling about the same question, new ratio and sacrificing ratio. See, this is calculation of new ratio. Calculation of new ratio, and same question calculation of sacrificing ratio.